Hi everybody! How are you doing today? Firstly, our team at Planet Earth SOS gives all you amazing people a massive welcome to our website. And secondly, we are going to show you in the short explanation video how to earn money and with Planet Earth SOS. Simply buy a worldwide virtual shopping mall membership at Planet Earth SOS for $600 and take advantage of all its benefits. Add referrals to your new organization and earn profits. So you bought your membership. Add referrals, distributors, and new members to your organization. You'll get 25% commissions on all frontline sales. That's $150 for each new member you bring in. Isn't that amazing? This is how simple it is to start to build your wealth with Planet Earth SOS. This is you. You make your first membership sale. That qualifies your organization and you get 25% commission. From your second member on, you'll get 25% commission and you'll also get 15% commission on all of your organization sales. So you get 25% commission. Your first member qualifies your income stream. Remember that. $25% commissions and add to that 15% residual commission on all his frontline sales. That's huge income for you. This goes on and on with all additions you make to your organization. That's only 2 commissions per sale. Now you know how easy it is. So what you waiting for? Sign up and get started. Join us at Planet Earth SOS and start building your online empire using our unique paradigm marketing system. See you very soon.